Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to solve the fourth question from CIE IGCSE 058043 extended paper from May-June 2024. Now this question is from mensuration. In this question all the measurements are in centimeters. The area of the triangle is equal to the area of the square. Show that 3r square plus r minus 6 is equal to 0. So here they have given a hint saying that the area of the triangle is equal to the area of the square. So let me write down the formula for area of triangle and area of the square. So according to the given data, the area of the triangle is equal to area of square. And here we are going to make use of the formula for area of triangle as 1 over 2 times a times b times sine c is equal to area of square is side times side. Now here if we look at the area of the triangle formula, let us take A as r plus 2 from this triangle. Let us take B as r plus 5. And this angle C is going to be the angle which is inclusive between these two sides. That is angle 30. Now substituting their respective values, we have 1 over 2 times r plus 2 times r plus 5 times sine 30 is equal to, now if we look at the square, the area of the square is represented as side times side. And one of the sides is given over here, which is r plus 1. So we are going to write here r plus 1 times r plus 1. Now we have the value of sine 30 as 1 over 2. So we are going to multiply this 1 over 2 with this 1 over 2, giving us 1 over 4. So here since the sine 30 value is 1 over 2, 1 over 2 times 1 over 2 gives us 1 over 4, and rest of the things remains the same. Now the next step is expansion of this brackets. So I'm going to expand the brackets on the left hand side and on the right hand side. So here we have written 1 over 4 times. Now r times r gives us r square. R times 5 gives us 5r. 2 times r is 2r. And 2 times 5 is 10. Is equal to, now same thing over here. R times r is r square. R times 1 is r. Plus 1 times r is plus r. And 1 times 1 is 1. Now the next step is simplification of these brackets, because we can see 5r and 2r are like terms and r are also like terms, and at the same time I'm going to take this 4 on the other side of equal to sign so that it multiplies with this bracket. So here we have got r square plus 5r and plus 7r will add up together to give us plus 7r plus 10 is equal to, now 4 goes on the other side and multiplies with r square. R plus r gives us 2r plus 1. Now I'm going to expand this bracket. So here we have r square plus 7r plus 10. Now 4 multiplies with r square giving us 4r square. 4 times 2r is 8r. 4 times 1 is 4. Now I'm going to take the left hand side terms on the right hand side. So we have 4r square. Now plus r square goes on the other side and becomes minus r square plus 8r. Plus 7r becomes minus 7r, plus 4 and plus 10 becomes minus 10 equal to 0. Now here gathering the like terms, that is 4r square minus r square gives us 3r square, plus 8r minus 7r gives us plus r, and plus 4 minus 10 gives us minus 6 equal to 0. Now this is what we had to show in this question, that is 3r square plus r minus 6 is equal to 0. Over here. So we have shown. Moving on to the next question. Solve the equation 3r square plus r minus 6 equal to 0. Give your answer to 2 decimal places and you must show all your working. Now to factorize this, I'm going to make use of quadratic formula, which is r. Since the equation is in terms of r, we have written r is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. This is our quadratic formula. Now here a represents the coefficient of r square. So in this case it is 3. So we have written a equal to 3. B is the coefficient of r, which is plus 1 in this case. So we have written here 1. And c is the constant, that is negative 6. Now the next step is plugging in the values of a, b, c in this formula. So we get minus 1 plus minus square root of 1 square minus 4 times a is 3 times c is negative 6 over 2 times 3, that is a value is 3. Now let us plug in the values of the square root and check how much value we get here. So here let us check what is the value of square root. We get it as square root 73. So in the next step we have written negative 1 plus minus the square root reduces to 73 over 2 times 3 is 6. Now here we get two values of r, that is r is equal to -1 plus square root 3 over 6, and the second value of r is equal to -1 negative square root of 73 over 6. Since we have to get the answer to two decimal places, let us check out the values on the calculator. So with the plus value we get the value as 1.257. Since two decimal places are written, I'm going to round it off to 1.26. And for the negative value, let us check out what value we get here. So -1 negative root 73 over 6. So this is going to be -1.59. So these are the two values of r. Now let us move on to the next sub question. Find the perimeter of the square. Now perimeter is sum of all the sides of this quadrilateral. Since this is a square, all the side lengths are going to be of the same length. So we can write here perimeter of the square is equal to 4 times the side length. So 4 times the side length is r plus 1, and we have got the value of r in the previous question as 1.26 and -1.59. Since the side length cannot be negative, we are going to discard this value and we are going to take the r value as 1.26. So we get here perimeter is equal to 4 times, now r value we have taken as 1.26 plus 1. So this will give us the value as 9.04. This is the perimeter of this given square. I hope you have understood all the steps and liked the video. And if you found this video useful, then check out these playlists where you'll find more examples of this kind. And if you're liking my videos, like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching.